Calaquachero, Calaquachera, come and join us. Here we are in Belgium. Yes, and it's Mark's birthday, Rika's boyfriend's birthday. So we celebrate it here. Just a family dinner in Steffigras, where they have the small French fries restaurant. Verhoeven here in Belgium. Come and join us. Ganda nung ano. Cheers, cheers, cheers for your birthday, Mark. Ayan, and my ate Emily, first time here in Belgium. So this is the stiffy crust, the small French fries. And it's really delicious and it's so yummy, but it's a lot. Ang dami-dami oh. Diyos ko, isang katarbang French fries. So tingnan natin kung mauubos namin itong katakot-takot na French fries. So Ate Emily and I, we just shared. Kasi sobrang dami talaga. Si Rika half French fries lang. But look, by Mark and by Ronald, that is the one full order of French fries. Ganun kadami. Sobrang dami. Yan ang full French fries at nasa ilalim yung satay niya. So we will see. Tinalastisal natin nakahiwalay. Yung ano pala yung aming steppe grass. Buti nakahiwalay. Sila hinahanap pa nila o dinidig nila o. Ayun, nakahanap na si Mark. Pero ito din ang walang salsa-waver, lang salsa-waver, lang salsa-waver in the gloria, in the gloria, in the gloria. So that's all guys, happy birthday Mark, and the first time visit of Ate Emily in Belgium, Steph in Belgium by Verhoeven, here by the boundary.